Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, and welcome to Apprenons Ensemble. French for Beginners, Conjugation, Lesson 11. The third group verbs ending with PRENDRE, present tense. Les verbes du troisième groupe, verbes terminant en PRENDRE, présent simple. So the third group verb consists of verbs ending with RE for the regular third group verbs. So on top right corner here, you will have a video. You can go and watch the video about the regular third group verbs if you need. Second point, many different endings classified into subgroups. Okay, so on top right corner here, you will have a video talking about the different subgroups. Okay, and the irregular verb also, you can go and watch it also if you need. And finally, the irregular verbs. Okay, so the RE regular verbs, many different subgroups, and the irregular verbs. Okay, so in this part, we'll talk about one of the subgroup called verbs ending with a PRENDRE. Okay. Fine. So here is the structure of a verb. So verb will be equal root or fixed part plus ending. Okay. So conjugation of verbs ending with a PRENDRE in the simple present tense. So verb equal root plus DRE. So here, what is this one? So this one is the common ending for all the verbs belonging to this group. Okay, so they should all end with PRENDRE. Now, to obtain the root, or what we call also the fixed part of the verb, we are not going to remove PRENDRE, no. But instead, for this group, we are just going to remove the DRE. This is very important. PRENDRE is just the common ending. So any verb ending with PRENDRE will belong to this group. Okay, now to obtain to conjugate that verb for present tense, we are not going to remove the PRENDRE. No, we are just removing DRE. Okay, to obtain the root of the present for any verb belonging to the group of verb ending with PRENDRE. PRENDRE is just the common ending. Okay, now to get the conjugation, I just need to remove DRE, not PRENDRE. So don't get confused between these two. If you are not getting it, please you can drop me a message here, so that I'll be able to explain you more. Okay, but anyway, just focus. At the end, we'll have an exercise, so I think that exercise will help you understand this part. Okay, so I'm removing the DRE from the verb to obtain the root. Okay, so now for subject je, so here we have the pronoun subject. So I have a link here on top right corner. So please, if you don't know what we call pronoun subject, please, I'll drop a link here. You can go and watch that video, and you need to watch it before you continue this video, otherwise you won't be able to understand what we are doing. Okay, so for subject je, you need to get the root, okay, by removing the DRE, and to that root I'm going to add DS. Okay, for tu, root plus DS. For il singular, root plus D. For elle singular, root plus D. For nous, root plus ONS. For vous, root plus IZ. For il plural, root plus NENT. So this is very important, this N. So this N does not come from the N that you have here. So here see the logic. If I'm removing DRE from the verb, I will get some things and then PREN. So to this N, I need to add an extra N, then put ENT. Okay? Anyway, you'll find it, you'll understand it during the exercise. So L plural, root plus NENT. This one is very important. Okay? So DS, DS, D, D, ONS, EZ, NENT, NENT. Okay? So here is an example. Okay? So prendre itself is a verb. Okay, we say verb ending with a PRENDRE, but prendre itself also is a verb. So we are going to take this verb as our example for this class. Okay, so prendre means to take. So the verb will be equal root or fixed part plus ending, right? Now, for the verb ending with PRE and DRE, what do I need to remove from the verb to get the fixed part? We are going to remove DRE, okay? So that's what I'm doing here. So PRE and DRE will be equal to, if I'm removing DRE, what will remain? PREN, okay? So PREN plus DRE, understood? So they will all end with PRE and DRE. Now, to conjugate that verb into present, I should not remove the PRE and DRE, no. PRE and DRE is nothing but the common ending for any verb belonging to this group, to the subgroup. Now, to conjugate that verb to present tense, I need to just remove the DRE, okay? Okay, so for pronoun, it will be equal PREN plus DRE. So PREN is the fixed part, or if you want, the root. Okay, so now to this root, to that root, I'm going to add the endings according to the convenient subject. So now for je, subject je, it should be fixed part plus DS. So PREN plus DS. Okay, for tu, fixed part plus DS. So here, tu, fixed part and DS. For il, fixed part and D. So fixed part, sorry, and D. For L, fixed part plus D. So L, fixed part, PREN, and D. For nous, fixed part plus ONS. Okay? So fixed part, PREN, and ONS. For vous, fixed part plus EZ. So PREN and EZ. So this N normally should not be in color. Okay? That is a mistake. Okay, so it's PREN as the root and then EZ. Okay, so now for il plural, it should be fixed part plus NENT. So here it is. So fixed part will be PREN, so PREN, then I'm adding one more N, then ENT. So one more N, then ENT. Okay, so if you pay attention, for il and L plural, we have double N if you want to understand it this way. Okay, so for L plural, root plus again NENT. So root is nothing but PREN plus NENT. So plus NENT. So we have double N here. Okay, so here please pay attention. This one is just a mistake. So here there should be, it should be in black color, this N. Okay, but here we have double N in this one. So for vous, we are not adding an extra N. No, it's just like a root plus EZ. Okay, so the root itself has N, so PREN. So this N is from the root, not from the ending. So please pay attention to this one. Okay, but from E, for il and L plural, we need to add an extra N. Okay, then ENT. Okay, let's do an example. So now let's see how we can pronounce this part. Okay, so here I'm not pronouncing the DS. So, je prends. Please repeat after me. Je prends. Okay. Here now I'm not pronouncing the DS also. So, tu prends. Tu prends. Please repeat. Okay, very good. For il, I'm not pronouncing the D also. So, il prend. One more time. Il prend. Can you please repeat? Okay. For elle, I'm not pronouncing the D also. So, elle prend. Can you please repeat? Elle prend. Okay. Now, for nous, I'm not pronouncing the S. So, nous prenons. Nous prenons. Can you please repeat? Nous prenons. Very good. So, don't pronounce the S. Now for vous, EZ at the end is pronounced E. Okay, so E accent aigu. So check on top right corner if you do have a problem with the accent, French accent, please, there is a video there. You can go watch it after you are done with this one. So E accent aigu will be pronounced E, like English alphabet letter E. Okay, so vous prenez. Vous prenez. Okay. Now for il plural, now we have ENT at the end. So ENT at the end of a verb, we say we are not pronouncing the ENT. We are pronouncing it as a E. So when you have E at the end of a word without any accent on it, we call it a mute E. So in this case, we are not pronouncing the E, we pronounce the N before. So ils prennent. Ils prennent. You see? Can you please repeat after me? Ils prennent. Very good. Ils prennent. Very nice. So same logic for L plural. So ENT, so we pronounce E only. So elles prennent. Elles prennent. So if you do have a doubt, why am I not pronouncing the S and the E here, please, you need to watch the video about the subject pronoun. Okay? So please don't forget to go and watch it. Understood this one? So here we have a list of regular frequently used verbs ending with a PRE and DRE. Okay? So we have prendre itself. Okay? So it ends with a, anyway that the whole verb end itself is PRE and DRE, but we can check we have more. So you see this verb, you have PRE and DRE inside. So apprendre, so comprendre, so again we have PRE and DRE inside. Okay. Surprendre, we have PRE and DRE inside. Okay. So you can take any of these verbs and practice what we just did. Okay. So please, you need to get the difference between the third group verbs. Okay. So this is it for today's class. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon for another video. Merci. Au revoir.